As the holy month of Ramadan progresses, several interfaith iftar gatherings across Bengaluru are promoting harmony, mutual respect, and a spirit of togetherness among different communities. Across Karnataka, inclusive iftar events are being organized that bring people of different faiths together to share a meal and strengthen social bonds. These gatherings are increasingly becoming platforms where communities interact, break stereotypes, and rediscover shared values. One such event was held at the historic Ulsoor Gurdwara Sahib, where the doors were opened for an inclusive iftar gathering. Hundreds of people from different faiths, including non-Sikhs and non-Muslims, and Muslims host to break the fast together, symbolizing unity and mutual respect. Speaking about the initiative, Jamaat-e-Islami Hind National Secretary Syed Tanveer Ahmad said that mosque committees, social organizations, and individuals have been encouraged to organize inclusive iftars. According to him, these gatherings aim to replace suspicion and division with understanding and dialogue, while also giving people an opportunity to learn about different cultures and traditions. Similar initiatives have been taking place in several parts of Bengaluru. In Ganginahalli near RT Nagar, a local mosque committee hosted an iftar that welcomed people from diverse communities. Meanwhile, in Shantinagar, MLA N.A. Harris organized a large iftar gathering in Austin town where hundreds of people from different faiths came together to share the evening meal. Community leaders say the spirit of Ramadan goes beyond fasting. Office bearer with Jamaat-e-Islami, Dr. Taha Mateen, explained that the holy month of Ramadan is a time for spiritual reflection, forgiveness, and strengthening relationships. He added that such peace gatherings help to remove mistrust and encourage compassion and a care for underprivileged. Interfaith harmony was also highlighted in Basavana Bagewadi, the birthplace of the 12th century social reformer Basavanna. A joint iftar Sauhardakota organized by the Rashtriya Basava Senya and Jamaat-e-Islami Hind brought people of different faiths together to celebrate the values of unity and brotherhood. Organizers say that as Ramadan continues, more such inclusive gatherings are planned with the aim of strengthening social harmony across the state. These humble iftar tables are becoming powerful reminders that sharing a meal together can break barriers, heal divisions, and build a more compassionate society.